Taking care of cats these days, cats are among the most popular pet you can own. There are several breeds available, with the most popular being Persian and Siamese. Cats are a domesticated animal, with origins dating back some 8,000 years and beyond. Like any other pet that you may own, including dogs, cats cost money to take care of properly. When you get a cat, you'll need to think about the costs. You'll obviously need food, and you'll also need to plan ahead for vet costs. You'll also need litter, which can tend to get quite expensive as the years go by. Your cat will need a litter box, food dish, and water dish. You should also invest in some toys as well, such as a scratching post, cat toys, a pet carrier, and a bed. You should also look into getting an ID collar as well, just in case your cat ever gets lost. Feeding your pet will depend a great deal on his age. Older cats require 2 small meals or 1 large meal for the day. Kittens, on the other hand, require several feedings a day until they get around the age of 12 weeks. Cats that are between 3 and 6 months of age need to be fed 3 times a day. Food can be fed to cats, although any food that has been left out longer than 30 minutes need to be disposed of. Food can get expensive fast, and you should always keep in mind that some may need to be thrown away when you buy it. Cats love canned food, although it doesn't have any benefits to their dental health like dry food does. As an alternative plan, you can always leave a supply of dry food out for your pet. When you give your cat dry food, you should always make sure that he has enough water. Dry food costs less than canned food, and it can also help to prevent the buildup of tartar on your cat's teeth. When you buy dry food, you should always look in terms of health and benefits, and stay away from generic food. Even though generic food may be cheaper, it may not offer the nutrients your pet needs. If you own a kitten, you should only give you kitten food designed for him. You'll also need to clean and refill his water dish every day. Even though kittens and adult cats like cow's milk, you should avoid giving it to them as it can cause diarrhea. Treats are fine on occasion, although too many of them can cause your pet to get fat. Feeding your kitten human food is good on occasion, although you may have to mix it in with his cat food. By themselves, cats stay fairly clean. Although you don't have to bathe them that often, you'll need to give them a brushing at least once a day. Brushing will reduce the risk of hairballs and keep your cat's coat nice and clean. If you are keeping your cat indoors, you'll need to have a litter box in an area that is easy for your cat to access. You should always scoop it on a daily basis, and clean it out once a week. Cats don't like to use dirty litter boxes, they prefer for it to be nice and clean. Although cats do require some work, they are great pets that will provide you with years and years of companionship. As long as you take care of your cat and take him to the vet for his checkups, he should remain healthy. Even though cats can get sick from time to time, knowing how to care for him will make a world of difference. Thanks. Welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor, kindly subscribe and check out my other channel.